Hi. I'm not sure if you can hear very well, but we are on top of the tower, the Eiffel Tower. Finally, 3 trips here and we've managed to get up. We've also managed to be joined by my mum, you can see there, who's talking to Simon, who's getting some camera work happening up here. It's pretty cool. Unfortunately, we are not able to go all the way to the top because there's construction going on. I don't know if you can see, if I do this, you can see there's the top of the Eiffel Tower. So we're on the second level. And yes, the views up here are magic. I'm not sure that my iPhone will do it much justice, but the views up here are pretty amazing with the Seine down there and the Arc de Triomphe and things like that. Anyway, I hope you're having a lovely day and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Hey, 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 it's a beautiful day. The wind is blowing, the bells are ringing.